Now, in December, each year we create opportunities for students by taking them to SUNY Cobleskill to do egg takes with the university. We do our own egg takes at the school's hatchery, and then the focus is on raising our fish from eggs to fingerlings, and then from fingerlings to large adults. The students aid in reproduction, which then allows us to raise our young in our own recirculation tank in our hatchery. These fish will be released into our 900-gallon tank, allowing them to grow to a large enough size to release.
So right now we have our 3 lovely assistants.
Wait a minute.
Swimming fish.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
These are all newly hatched brook trout born from the Cobleskill hatchery, raised here. And these hatched in late December, a little after Christmas.
The larger fish can be then released in neighboring streams or simply put in our research pond. Responsible students then become hatchery managers and then are given younger students to help out in the daily workload in the hatchery. And once again, we take great pride in a successful release. The Deer Project is the culmination of 9 years of work, where I was able to secure with a grant 32 acres next to the school. We now have our own deer facility with up to 20 captive deer. We allow students the opportunity to work year-round with them and to be able to handle those deer, especially important for students that are interested in careers in biology or who want to become veterinarians. Apple, anyone? Research within the facility for fisheries and wildlife students also allows us to study the rut. Our captive deer and their movements are compared to wild deer populations. In the past 2 years, our deer have been within 2 days of the wild rut. This is an exceptional learning opportunity as students who are interested in hunting have an opportunity to shine. This also allows us to entertain some special guests like Senator Kathy Young.
On her own.
But she was the first.
She was the first.
This is all the way down already? Yeah. What's important about VCE?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my answer. If you want to be top rated like Pew Die Die, you know, a YouTube channel, he had to learn it the hard way. So you're getting the basic skills out of the way, and then you're tapping into like artistic side of every kid that brings something to the table, you know?
So true. Looks good.
I'll try letting it down.
I think it's to the bottom, but yeah, baby was right there. I got ice in my cooler.
Oh, all right.
Is that camera pointing straight at you? So let's line this eye up with that. I'll chain it up high. You'll raise it up a foot. We'll put gravel in. We'll put it back down. That looks good. That's perfect. There's a cold one for you. Quality mix, Devin. Good. That is quality mix, fellas. Very nice. So here's the objective. That box will be underneath the solar panels.
Okay.
We're going to run conduit a foot deep. Reposition for the second panel.
How do you want me up there? I want to do the bottom side again off the bucket.
Nice job, baby. 3.
Making a difference, one young student at a time. Today's students are a different animal. Don't waste their time. They don't learn the way we did. Get them out of their comfort zone and give them responsibility. Put them in leadership roles where they're in charge and choice in what they learn, and they will shine like no others. Creating opportunities is the most important thing. Our rural students deserve the chance to succeed. Please join me in making their dreams a reality.